Honorable Minister Sir, Nitin Gadkari Sir, to please join us on the dais.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the boys and MSME, Shri Nitin Gadkari ji amongst us. Thank you so much for your presence. Well, thank you so much, sir. You've graced this occasion with your auspicious and with high intellect, quick understanding and sharp vision. He's been elected as President of ICI for term 2021 and he's led the cause of profession through various committees of institutes, serving as Chairman of Digital Accounting and Insurance Board, Board of Studies, IT Committee and IT Committee among others. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the lighting of NAP. Ladies and gentlemen, let's invite positivity from this evening and Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, meaning we imbibe all the positivity we have within us. The darkness leads to light, it leads to success and prosperity. With the lighting of lamps, we will ensure that our 2021 is successful. And we have our mentors who can pave path of success for us. Ladies and gentlemen, once again a big round of applause for all our dignitaries, please. Once again, I would request all of you to please put your hands together once again for us.
Yaeshasupteshu jagrati Yaeshasupteshu jagrati Kamam 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 Purusho nirvimana nirvimana Tadev shukram
Hall of Fame. And to present the award, I would request CA Anuj Goyal to please join me on stage, ladies and gentlemen. He's council member.
CA Hall of Fame awardee is CA Vallabh Bhansali.
Congratulations. Very, very big round of applause, friends. CA Hall of Fame awardee is CA Vallabh Bhansali.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have CA Vallabh Bhansali ji, founder in our group. Congratulations. He's a leading investment banker, investor, venture capitalist and capital markets expert of the country. Can we have the video, please?
Thank you, Honorable Minister, members of the jury and the committee for this humbling recognition.
Alright, now let's move on to our next award. To present the award, ladies and gentlemen, that's CA Hall of Fame. I will request CA Charanjot Singh ji to please come on the stage and grace this occasion with the presence. Ladies and gentlemen, CA Charanjot Singh ji is council member from New Delhi and Chairman Internal Audit Standard Board. And the award CA Hall of Fame goes to
CA Hall of Fame awardee is CA Nimesh Kampani. Heartiest congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, CA Nimesh Kampani, Chairman, GM Financial Group. He's an Indian investment banker and he's made pioneering contribution to the development of the Indian capital market. Congratulations. Council member from Guwahati and Chairman Board of Studies to please join me on the dais to present the award.
Public Services, awardee CA Mahavir Singhvi, IFS.
Congratulations, CA Mahavir Singhvi, IFS Joint Secretary, Ministry of External Affairs, a man with strong belief and desire to serve the nation. He's been working with Ministry of External Affairs as Joint Secretary, and he was also the speaker to various forums and conferences. Once again, congratulations, sir. Our next award is CA Achiever in Public Services, and to do the honors, I would request CA Dheeraj Khandelwal to please join me on stage. Dheeraj Khandelwal is Council Member from Mumbai and Chairman, Committee on Public and Government Financial Management. Sir, please present the award.
CA Achiever in Public Service Awardee, CA Umesh Gupta ji, IRS Principal, Additional Director General, Directorate General of Taxpayer Services.
Congratulations, CA Achiever in Public Services goes to CA Upendra Gupta, IRS Principal Additional Director General, Directorate General of Taxpayer Services. He is an IRS officer from 1990 batch. He spearheaded the entire process of lawmaking as well as smooth implementation of GST in India. Congratulations, sir. Now for the next award, that's CA Achiever in Public Services, I will request CA MP Vijay Kumar to please join me, Council Member from Chennai and Chairman Accounting Standard Board.
CA Achiever in Public Services, awardee CA Satish Golcha, IPS Special Commissioner of Police, South Zone. Happy congratulations.
Congratulations, CA Satish Golcha, IPS Special Commissioner of Police South Zone. He is an IPS officer of 1992 batch. He was the recipient of President's Police Medal for excellent services on the occasion. Please give the award.
CA Business Leader Large Corporate BFSI, awardee CA Shekhar Bhandari, President and Business Head Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. CA Shekhar Bhandari has been associated with Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited for last 24 years and contributed actively in the trade platform, including setting up the framework for digital trade. Congratulations, sir. Not only this, he participated in various social activities of Executive Committee and Examination Committee and Finance Committee. To please present the award.
CA Business Leader Mid Corporates, Manufacturing and Infrastructure, awardee is CA Ratan Lal Nolaka, Chairman, Nitin Spinners Limited.
Sir, look here, sir.
CA Ratan Lal Nolaka, Chairman, Nitin Spinners Limited. Congratulations, he's done. Congratulations.
Sir, close, sir.
And now for the next award, I would request CA Prakash BFSI goes to.
Award goes to Anup Dayan Mathur, MD and CEO, Canada HSBC, Municipal Bank of Commerce, and Life Insurance Company.
Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. He's contributed in the project Parivartan, which includes transformation of the core values of the company, customer centricity and agility, and having huge working experience in insurance company. Well, our next award is for CA Business Leader, Emerging Corporates, BFSI. And to do the honors, I would request CA Sushil Kumar Goel to please join me on the stage, Council Member from Kolkata and Member of Examination Committee. Hello, welcome, sir. I request you to please announce CA Business Leader Emerging Corporates BFSI.
Awardee CA Ashok Kumar Jain, Chairman and Managing Director, Arena Capital Market.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the award for Business Leader Emerging Corporates BFSI to CA Ashok Kumar Jain, CMD Arihant Capital Markets Limited. Congratulations. He is the recipient of Excellence in Omnipresent Technology by IDC Asia Pacific in 2018-19. Well, our next award is for CA CFO Large Corporate Manufacturing and Infrastructure. To do the honors, I request CA Aniket Talati, Council Member from Ahmedabad, to please join me. Ladies and gentlemen, Chairman Financial Reporting, I request you to please announce the award for CA CFO Large Corporate Manufacturing and Infrastructure. Yes, sir.
The awardee for the Large Corporate Manufacturing and Infrastructure is CA Ajay Sheth, CFO and Member of Executive Board, Maruti Suzuki India Limited.
Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. CA Ajay Sheth has won Best CFO Award. Automatic Parts 2020. Institutional Investor Research has been a core pillar in implementation of data analytics, corporate manufacturing and infrastructure. So I request you to please announce the award.
And the award is C.A. Sandeep Gupta, Director of Finance, Indian Oil Corporation.
Congratulations, C.A. Sandeep Gupta. He has actively been involved in financial and risk management during pandemic in IOCL. He is also a regular faculty for various training programs. Congratulations, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, can we give them a big hand to all of our audience once again? A little more energy, very appreciated. Now let's move on to our next award, that's CACFO, Large Corporate Manufacturing and Infrastructure. To the honors, I would request CA Durgesh Khabra, Council Member from Mumbai and Member of Executive Committee, Finance Committee and Disciplinary Committee to please announce the award.
CACFO, Large Corporate Manufacturing and Infrastructure. The awardee is CAR Keshwan, Director of Finance and CFO, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited.
Congratulations, CAR Keshwan. We request you to please put your masks and come on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes, sir. Look here, sir.
His vision is about investing for future. His focus has been on how to maximize the value of the company. And now our next award is for CACFO Large Corporate BFCI. I would request CA Pramod Jain, Council Member from New Delhi and Chairman Valuation Standards Board and Chairman CSR Committee to please announce the award.
And the award goes to C. Gopal K. Balachandran, CFO and CRO, ICC Lombard General Insurance Company.
Congratulations, Royal and Party X, the General Insurance Company project. Congratulations once again. Ladies and gentlemen, for the next award, I would request CA Kamisha Soni, Council Member from Indore and Chairperson Ethical Standards Board and Chairperson Women Member Empowerment Directorate to please join me on stage. And the award is for CACFO Mid Corporate Manufacturing and Infrastructure. And the award goes to
Awardee is C.A. Saurabh Gupta, CFO Digital Technologies India Limited.
Wow! 70 years of progressive experience
Yes, sir.
in finance
Sir,
and
please, sir.
management. Congratulations, sir. Our next award is for CACFO Mid Corporate Services. I would request CA Dr. Sanjeev to please present the award for CACFO Mid Corporate Services.
Emerging Corporate Services. Awardee C. Vincent P. Langia, CFO Technologies Private Limited.
Congratulations, CA Ginder from CFO Retail Private Limited.
Yes, sir, please.
He is embarked on an ambitious transformation program titled Project Rati to create a finance center of excellence while embracing digital technologies. For the next award, I request CA Anuj Goyal to please join me, Council Member from Ghaziabad and Chairman Committee on Management Accounting and Research Committee. The award is for CACFO Emerging Corporates Manufacturing and Infrastructure.
CACFO Emerging Corporates Manufacturing and Infrastructure. Awardee is CA Rahul Kedia, CFO and Whole-Time Director, Ruchi Diabetes Care India Private Limited.
Congratulations! Congratulations, CA Rahul Kedia. He's a finance professional with over 90 plus years of experience in which
Yes, sir, please.
at various leadership positions. He's contributed in other and regional warehouse projects, supply chain footprint for Roche Diabetes Care India Private Limited. Congratulations. For the next award, I will request CA Chanajot Singh Nanda to please join me on stage. The award is for CACFO Emerging Corporates BFSI. Can we have this? Can we give a big round of applause? All of us, all the awardees, and the award goes to sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, CACFO Emerging Corporates BFSI. The awardee is CA Krishna Kanhaiya, Chief Financial Officer, Virai Asset Investment Management India Private Limited.
Congratulations, CA Mr. Krishna. He's playing.
Yes, sir, look here, sir.
Council Member from Guwahati and Chairman Board of Studies to please join me on the stage. The award is for CXO Large Corporate Manufacturing and Infrastructure.
Awardee is CAJ Ravi Kumar, Chief Council Officer and Chief Risk Officer, LNT Metro Rail Hyderabad. Hearty congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, CAJ Ravi Kumar has 35 years of solid work experience that earned National Leadership Award and the Best CFO Award for 4 times in a row, 2 times selected as Financial Leader. For Board Media from 2019-2020 under the Infrastructure category and Fundraising respectively. Now I will request CA Government Financial Management to please present the award for CA/CXO Large Corporate BFSI.
Awardee goes to CA Mohammad Salim, General Manager Power Finance Corporation Limited.
Congratulations! Congratulations, CA Mohammad Salim. He's played a major role in GST implementation in Power Finance Corporation Limited.
Yes, sir. Look here, sir.
Handholding. He's also author of 3 successful books titled GST on Services, GST and Your Queries, and GST TDS and TCS. Now for the next award, I would request CA MB Vijay Kumar, Council Member from Chennai and Chairman Accounting Standards Board to please join me. The award is for CA/CXO Mid Corporates Manufacturing and Infrastructure. Yes, sir. Who takes this award home?
The awardee is CA Nitin Agarwal, General Manager Finance, Accounts and Tax, Bridgestone India Private Limited.
Congrats! Bridgestone from concept to execution. He received various awards from CFO India Magazine for various initiatives and projects in the area of finance, accounting, tax. For the next award, I would request CAP Rajendra Kumar, the Council Member from Chennai and Chairman GST and Indirect Taxes Committee to please join me and announce CA/CXO Mid Corporates BFSI.
The award goes to CA Sripal Shah, President, Head Operations, Finance and Technology, Kotak Securities. Congratulations.
Congratulations in the current role of Kotak Security. He has undertaken
Yes, sir. Look here, sir.
mission for a company to upgrade its outdated tech stack and enhance its digital offerings in multiple areas. Congratulations. Now I request CA Pramod Kumar, Council Member from Jaipur and Member of Executive Committee and Examination Committee and Finance Committee to please join me. CA/CXO Emerging Corporates BFSI goes to
Awardee is CA Mayank Bathwal, Chief Executive Officer, Adit Birla Health Insurance Company.
Congratulations, the leader who displays exemplary foresight, plans strategically, enables innovation and displays maturity in leadership while delivering consistent and outstanding results. I will request CA Prakash Sharma, Council Member from Jaipur and Chairman, Banking, Financial Services and Insurance Committee to please the award for the CA Global Achiever.
Global Achiever Awardee, CA Kishan Goyal, CEO, CAS, Reason,
Congratulations, CA Vijay Krishna Goyal, a man who strongly believes in never giving up. And now let's move on to our next award, that is CA Entrepreneur Rising Star. And I would request CA Sushil Kumar Goyal, Council Member from Kolkata and Member of Examination Committee to please do the honors. Yes, sir.
Awardee CA V.S. Ramakrishnan, Chief Executive Officer, Shiksha Financial Services India Private Limited.
Congratulations, CA V.S. Ramakrishnan. He is a strong believer in providing quality education to the students with his motto. He started Shiksha Financial Services India Limited to provide finance for education. Now I will request CA Aniket S. Dalati, Council Member from Ahmedabad and Chairman Financial Reporting, Review Board and Chairman, Digital Re-Engineering and Learning Directorate to please join me on stage. CA Aniket. And the award is for CA Educator.
The awardee is CA Sachin Kapoor, Director, Training, Indian Audit and Accounts Department, National Academy of Accounting and Accounts.
Congratulations, CA Sachin Kapoor, a former thinker about
Yes, sir. Look here, sir.
has been actively involved in imparting knowledge among civil servants and always tries to give back to the society. Next award is for CA Educator. I would request CA.
The award goes to Vikram Pandya, Director of Thinking, SPJ School of Global Management.
Congratulations, Vikram Pandya. He's Director of Fintech at SPJ.
Yes, sir. Look here, sir.
Management, where he designed India's first interactive classroom, led fintech programs featuring blockchain, API banking, and IoT labs. And next, I would request CA Mukesh Nagla, Council Member from Mumbai and Member of Executive Committee, Finance Committee, and Disciplinary Committee to join me for CA Young Leader Female.
CA Young Leader Female. Awardee CA Nidhi Jain, Head City Finance, Hindustan Unilever Limited.
Congratulations,
Yes, ma'am.
guys!
Yes, sir.
I request you to please give a big round of applause. All the women in the house, I think we should raise our hand and give them the honors. I would request CA Pramod Jain, Council Member from New Delhi and Chairman Valuation Standard Boards and Chairman CSR Committee to please join us.
Kush Bhatia, Vice President Finance, Max Life Insurance Company Limited.
Congratulations, CA Bhatia. He's undertaken projects for risk management,
Yes, sir.
interest, trade derivatives, and various upgrades innovations. He'd also participated in the various CSR initiatives that have been conducted by his company. Now I request CA Kamisha Soni, Council Member from Indore and Chairperson Ethical Standard Board and Chairperson Women Member Empowerment Directorate to please give the next award. CA Young Leader Male.
The awardee is CA Simardeep Singh, Manager Finance, REC Limited.
Congratulations, CA Simardeep Singh. He's played a major role in implementation of India-Australia in the REC Limited. He's been a speaker in CA student seminar workshop on the topic of financial reporting. Next is CA Special Recognition. I would request CA Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Singhal, Council Member from New Delhi and Chairman Sustainability Accounting Standard Board, to please say the award.
The CA Special Recognition awardee is CA Himanshu Bakshi, Manager Ernst & Young, EY.
Yes, sir. Look here, sir. Sir, sir.
Actively working on creating awareness about the different labels, print radio, and can we give a big round of applause to all awardees, ladies and gentlemen, our chief guests.
Honorable Chairman of CA Association of India, all respectable dignitaries on the dais, and dear friends. First time I am giving my all best wishes to all of you, those who are receiving awards for their excellent work. Particularly in Indian economy, the role of chartered accountants is very important. Either it is government corporation, private corporation, industry, or even in banking. Everywhere, the young talented CA, they are contributing to our economy. Our Prime Minister's dream is to make Indian economy of $5 trillion. And we are planning to develop the infrastructure of 111 lakh crores. So exactly for all this purpose, we need capital, investment, and the resources are very important. I remember one thing, when I was minister in Mumbai, Maharashtra, when I got approval to construct Mumbai-Pune Express Highway, Worli-Bandra Ceiling Project and 55 flyovers. At that time, one of the interview, when journalists asked me, at that time we reject the tender of Reliance for Express Highway and decided to make it that road which establishing the road corporation from Maharashtra. So there was a lot of people criticize the Maharashtra government and our corporation that when it is not possible to get it done from the Reliance, how it will be possible to ministry or the department. So at that time, one of the journalists asked me a question. And his question was that, what time you are going to complete this project? I tell him 2.5 years. Then he asked me the question, how much money you have? I tell him I have only 5 crore rupees. So the tender which was rejected from Reliance was costing 3,600 crore. I'm talking about 96, 97. So today's cost may be more than 35,000 crore. So then he asked me, how it is possible for you when you don't have money? So I tell him I have only one capital is with me. If there is a will, there is a way. And if there is no will, there is only survey, discussion, seminar, committee, subcommittee, and research group. But one of my friend, chartered accountant, was with me. And he always gave me the confidence at that time that we can raise the money from the market. We raise the money from the market, we get the money, and we complete the express highway with the cost of 1,600 crore, the saving of 2,000 crore at that time. So I always remember that my chartered accountant friend who created a lot of confidence in me and at the same time who create capital from the market. So CA is a person who can resolve any type of problem. And presently in an economic situation, particularly the people who are facing the financial crisis, where CA is the person who is helping him and telling him the way that how it can be done, how it can resolve the problem. So Indian economy is the fastest growing economy in the world. And now we need to adopt different type of innovations in the financing. Our total system is digitalized, and I'm sure about it that we need foreign investment for the development of our country. We need to develop different type of initiative by which we have to make the policy by which we can receive more FDI in our country. As far as road infrastructure is concerned, the capital investment in the road construction is very important. Neither I am a chartered accountant nor I am an engineer, so I am not the expert about all the things. But presently, the economics of our NHI is really in a good shape. Our present toll income is 34,000 crore per year. Even the COVID period or the March end, our income is 34,000 crore. And next, up to 25, we will have an income of 1,34,000 crore. So now it's a great challenge for me that how we are going to monetize the project, how we are going to raise the funds from capital, from the pension fund, insurance fund, and the bankers. And this is very important that we are adopting different type of solutions for that. So one of the chartered accountant who is a professionally successful and working for some foreign investor, we just request him to join in NHI. And I tell him that you should find out all the new initiative, new schemes where it can be possible for us to get maximum investment from abroad with low cost, because the interest cost is equally important. So today this is a world of competitiveness, and where in the financial field also you need to be a good quality, good honesty, integrity, at the same time decision-making process with transparency. For that reason, always every institution is taking the help from the chartered accountant. So you are one of the important person like growth engine of our economy. So today the chartered accountant, those who are contributing a very excellent work for which they are receiving the award, I am giving my special best wishes for them, and I will request them that your role as a chartered accountant is very important, and 100% for the development of our country, your role is going to contribute to make Indian economy of $5 trillion. And I am giving, now this is one of the challenge to you, that it is the time for people like you, who are the stakeholders, that how we can make Indian economy of $5 trillion within 5 years. So you are the best person, best expert people who can give us a good solution for that. And you are doing your good business. It's really 100% good for everybody. But at the same time, I will request you what you contribute for the country, what you contribute for the society is equally important. In my office, there is one Sanskrit Geet is there. Manasa satatam svaraniyam, vachasa satatam vadaniyam, lokahitam mama karaniyam. How you can be helpful for the people, how you can helpful for the society, how you can helpful for the nation, and how you can helpful to the poor people of the society. And the socio-economic transformation is a great challenge to the country. Eradication of poverty is a big challenge. But people like you, with your innovative models of financing models, and with the new technology, the innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skill, and successful practices, we name it as a knowledge and conversion of knowledge into wealth. It is only possible with a good economic management. And there the role of chartered accountant is very important. I am giving all my best wishes to all of you. I have to catch my flight. I am going to Nagpur. I am very sorry. Again, I am giving my all best wishes to all of you, those who are already received the awards. And really, your role for the future will be very important. God bless you. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Well, very well said. Empires of future are the empires of mind. Well, ladies and gentlemen, where there is a will, there is a way.